Okay, guys, this is how you access your project. So you're going to go to Google Classroom and find our class, and then you look for the topic that says Unit 2 under Classwork, and it'll say Periodic Table Project. If you'll notice here, it also says that this is worth a test grade, and it will be due by September 17th at 11:59 p.m. Okay, so on this assignment, there will be this video. So you'll watch this video first, and then you will open up this document. When you open up this document, this is what it looks like. And something I want to make sure that you know that's very, 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 very important is that there are multiple tabs down here at the bottom. So there are 5 mysteries that you will do. And you have to do all 5 of them in order to get the test grade. So it's pretty easy. What you're going to do is you're going to use a periodic table, and you're going to read the clue that is here, and then you will type the element symbol, just the symbol, not the name, into this space. The most important thing is that capitalization matters. So, for example, this one is BA, but if I type in lowercase b, lowercase a, it's not going to work right. Okay. What happens is when you put in the right answer, a little square will pop up and it will highlight a different color. Not all of them are red, some of them are different colors. Now you can use a periodic table in class. You can also click this link right here and it will take you to a periodic table that is there. So let me show you an example of one. I'm going to click on this link and it'll open up a periodic table that's online. And the clue right here says this element has 17 electrons surrounding its nucleus. So if it has 17 electrons, we know that it has 17 protons. So we're going to look for element 17, which is Cl for chlorine. So you would come back to here and you would type capital C, lowercase l, and hit enter, and then this square will pop up. So you'll continue to do that for all of these clues for each mystery. So please make sure that you do all 5. And if you have a hard time finding these tabs, please let us know and we will help you.